adventurers. We are in Bali, in Canggu specifically. As you can see, we are staying in this very sweet villa. We will give you a tour of it in just a bit. But right now, we are running a little behind to go meet up with some new friends for breakfast. You guys, today is the day. Flying the Nest is here, Kinging It is here, Josh and Ashley are over there.
Ashley's creeping over there.
And we are meeting up for brunch, and I can't wait. There's this cute little place right up the road. This place is amazing, y'all. The beach is literally right there. You can hear it through our window at night. We went and had dinner there last night. It's so pretty, and the weather is lovely. I can wear jeans because you don't sweat that much because it's not that hot.
All right, let's go explore Bali.
Yes.
Are you ready to explore Bali?
Yeah, ready.
When I was doing the intro, she didn't know I was filming, so she was just talking to me in the background.
I had no idea.
What's up, partner?
¿Qué pasó?
Josh showing off his new swimming shorts.
You like these?
Ooh, yeah.
Skies out, thighs out, my friends.
Got that Bali look.
You gotta own it.
This place is amazing because we're really off the beaten path a little bit. Kind of feels like we're in the jungle. It's very nice. A lot of it's outdoor. We have yet to get out cash because we tried at the airport and the bank shut off our card because they thought it was suspicious, and we didn't know that, and it didn't tell us on the ATM, so we tried a bunch of ATMs, like 8 of them, did not work. Called the bank, sorted it out, tried an ATM last night, it malfunctioned, the system just crashed, so we still couldn't get money, so we're gonna try it again for about the 10th time, and I think we're gonna get cash this time.
Oh, is this the right kind?
Well, it says Visa. Checking. Processing. Processing.
No!
It didn't work. Why?
Oh, dang. This is bad, y'all. Bali doesn't accept a lot of cards. So, and poor Ashley and Josh have had to bankroll us this whole time. Oh, no.
Success.
Wow.
Is what I would be saying if it actually worked.
For real?
Yeah, it did work.
So the ATM problem this time?
It just said the same thing that it said at the airport.
Did you get that means we have to still pay for you guys?
Damn, you guys gonna be our sugar mama and sugar daddy. Thanks. Cheers. We're starting off with a little coffee. I already tasted it. It's freaking bomb. Are you guys liking the coffee? It's pretty good.
Yeah,
Pretty good. Pretty good. I got some avocado toast with poached egg on top, and then Allison kept it healthy with the veggie burger.
I mean, kind of. It's still a burger, but look at this, y'all. All the colors. I love it.
It's very big.
And
It'll be good.
I did the chips instead of salad. Oopsie.
Oh, these are gonna be good though.
Okay, so what's this?
Oh, they're hot. Too hot. Right when you cut into it, the egg just explodes and melts down all the avocado in the toast. Like it's good. I mean, it can't be bad, right? It's impossible.
Oh, hella.
That's my kind of breakfast, y'all. This actually is my favorite breakfast dish. It's really good. We're gonna try a shot of wheatgrass.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Ready?
Cheers.
Much pressure.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
It tastes like grass.
Tastes like grass that's slightly sweet, very cold. It's kind of fresh. Tastes like a freshly mowed lawn. Not bad. And they gave you a little lime to wash it down.
Oh, it's not nice at all.
Ooh.
The line helps a lot.
Yeah, the lime helps.
I liked it. I must have a high tolerance for nasty.
We are back at our villa. Breakfast/lunch was amazing, and we brought all of our friends, y'all. Check it out. So, Ashley down there, you know. We have Jessica and Steven, and then we have Amy and Craig.
Hi.
Kinging It, Flying the Nest, and then lovely Wei, Josh over here. Still.
Well, we're going to be linking to everyone's deets in the description below. Check them all out. Their channels are better than ours. Check them out. Subscribe. You'll enjoy it. Hey guys. we figure everyone else left, so we're just kind of chilling. We figured we should give you guys a little look around this place because it's pretty cool. Pretty sweet place.
This villa, it is like 60 USD a night, and we have the entire top floor to ourselves. So there's 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. This is our little abode, which we can show you around.
Yeah.
Most important thing, AC.
Yeah.
We've got this awesome like egg chair thing, which has been great for lounging, and kind of the reason we chose this room because we figured we could watch
They had an
TV.
HDMI cable, which we still haven't bought one for ourselves yet.
Yeah.
So when the place has an HDMI cable, we're like, plug it up, we're watching Netflix.
Yep. This is our little bed. It's kind of small, but it wasn't too bad sleeping in here. And we finally used this. There were a couple of mosquitoes
There were
in
just
here
like
last
2 of them,
night.
so we were like, we're using the mosquito net,
Yeah,
damn it.
we've never used one, but it was so nice not having to worry. We've stayed in places with mosquitoes, and the worst thing is waking up to one buzzing in your ear. It's so creepy.
These stairs actually go up to the top, but
Yeah.
it's just like a little rooftop up there, and it's kind of hard to get to, but it's kind of cool.
This walkway is so funny. It's so little, but we have, or Ashley and Josh have their room here. I think it's open. They're not in here, so we're gonna sneak in. They have the grand master suite.
Yeah, it's very
with
nice.
this epic bed.
Also, Josh and Ashley discovered that there's a friggin' trap door behind this mirror. Check that out. I don't really understand it, but it looks really serious. Check that out. It's just this little unfinished room. Pretty cool. We have the whole upstairs area, and it shares this bathroom. The whole thing is pretty much outdoor.
Yeah,
Check this out. Is this cool or
Complete
what?
with frogs and everything.
Yeah, it is so rustic and solid and well built. I just love it. And the shower is completely open air,
Yeah.
which is very nice. But you know, you gotta maybe watch out for people walking by.
Yeah, it's funny because you can put this down, but even with it down, it still blows in
Yeah.
the wind. So like over here you can see,
Yeah, if people walk by, it's like it's free show.
have a little terrace area.
Oh yeah, this is cool. So there's a bunch of little nooks like this that you can just chill in. It's very cool.
Yeah, but at night, it's the frog gauntlet through here.
Yeah,
so,
we keep having to use our flashlight so we don't crush these little frogs. It's covered. They cover this area.
Yeah, they're all hiding right now, but at night there's like 10 of them and they're just hopping everywhere. So down here we have the epic pool area, which you guys saw earlier. And then we have the shared kitchen, and it looks like our friends have
Everyone's
come
back. We just said we parted ways with everyone, but here you are again. They couldn't stay away from our awesome villa. So yeah, this is the kitchen area over here.
Have a huge kitchen, fresh water.
Oh yeah.
And then also this big grill out here, which I don't think we'll get to use.
I'm
but
so
it's
sad
nice.
because isn't this the coolest grill spot? It's so amazing.
So beautiful. And then they have an extra little like guest house. It's such a great location. Like we mentioned earlier, the beach is literally just right over there, and there are tons of shops and restaurants. It's pretty much perfect. Y'all, it is getting close to sunset, and we are headed to the beach. I think to grab some drinks, right?
Yeah.
We hear that there's
heard drinks
some
earlier.
happy hour.
So the way it works here is you pick a meat and then they have all this stuff over here on display that we pick. Is there like specific stuff we have to pick out or
The salad
just
bar.
any of this stuff?
Yeah,
All
you
right.
can make unlimited.
Check this out. You guys, the smell coming off of this grill is amazing.
So good.
Yeah, my clothes are gonna smell like it tomorrow, I think. This grilled chicken, and I really didn't have high expectations, but it looks and it smells amazing. Oh man, check that out. Look, it's like falling apart. It's so good. That's what you want to see. Just you can just smell like the grill on it. That's good. It's bathed in like some kind of tomatoey sauce or something. We've parted ways with everybody, but we had an absolutely amazing time, y'all, hanging out with Flying the Nest and Kinging It and Josh and Ashley. We always learn so much from everybody because they all have their own unique approach and their unique style, and everyone does things a little bit differently.
It's so fun to learn from them. But
yeah, we were just sitting at dinner talking about YouTube the entire time.
Yeah, but we wanted to, because we didn't really explain, so we're all here because we're all YouTubers, and we've been chatting like on Facebook. Actually, the way Ashley and Josh have met all of us in real life, and so they thought, oh, wouldn't it be so fun if we could all get together? So we figured Bali, we had never been here, neither had Josh or Ashley. Thought it would be a fun place to meet up. And
I'm glad it all came together because so far this has been amazing. We're actually going to be leaving this place, but then we're going to be getting a little villa with everybody else, right?
Yeah, we're checking.
They planned it all, so I don't really know exactly what we're doing.
To a place called the Chill House, which I'm really excited about.
I'm ready
they have
to chill.
Like yoga, they have breakfast there. It should be another really cool place, but we're just excited to hang out and go on some fun adventures. We're going to be going and exploring a little more north in Bali.
But I think that is it. We're going to watch a little YouTube or something because we've been working all evening. It's like 11:30 now, and we got to get up kind of early, so we're going to stop working, watch something to turn our brains off, and then go to bed.
Yeah, but we're really excited for everything to come. Good night, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.